Day 156 of Peter and Doxie sailing from, where was it? New South Wales to Queensland. Here we are in Queensland, and it is, I don't know how long now in Roslyn Bay. If you're following previous videos, you'll know that I've had engine dramas, which we should have a conclusion for now, although it's still going to take a little while for it all to happen. But at least there's a plan in place, which is really great. Anyway, yeah, just working through things. I'm just, I think, trying to get my mind lined up, basically, and sort of, okay, we're not trapped here forever. I'm starting to feel that way. It's not that it's a bad place, but it's not where I live. And it is cyclone season coming up, so yeah, there is some urgency to go back south as soon as possible. So yeah, I'm just going to do a few odd jobs around the boat today, I think. Nothing else really planned. Breakfast with friends, which I'm looking forward to, and then we'll just see what the rest of the day brings. I think it'll just be jobs around the boat though. So anyway, let's go through the day and see what happens. It must be Saturday. Okay, it's now time to start masking this up so I can keep the teak that I want to oil separate from the edges and stuff which I want to varnish. So let's see how this goes. Okay, ain't that pretty? I won't leave it like that, promise. Anyway, I think I've got it pretty well covered now. Yeah, that's the back side of it, so I'll just do that by hand as far as that semicircle is concerned. But yeah, obviously the bits I can see facing up, I want to try and get them as right as possible. When you got shaky hands like I have, yeah, any little bit of help you can get is very welcome. Okay, nervous part. Me trying to do any painting or varnishing at all. I think we're good to go. Yeah, these first brush strokes are always pretty much the the best ones, where you actually start seeing the wood grain come up. You start to shine again. Most satisfying, I think, anyway. But it'll drink it up pretty quickly, I'd say. Starting to feel a little bit satisfying already. Look at that. Bit of shine on it. Bring up the wood grain. Yeah, there's nothing so amazing as wood. Okay, that's the first coat done. Let that sit there and dry now. I think it's time to go and have a coffee. And then maybe I'll attack the second one, although I'm not quite sure where I'll put it. But yeah, I think it's coming up well already. I just love the contrast, and I hope the teak oil increases that between the lattice work and the edge. So sort of that classic ship sort of thing. I remember when I was young and used to travel by ship between the Pacific Islands and stuff, seeing things like that, and it's just like, yeah, that feels like I'm on a ship. Okay, I've put all this back together. I'll pick up and put all away my tools now. I think we're starting to get me down a bit, basically, having all this stuff lying around. I'm not a tidy freak, but yeah, maybe tidier than having things lying around half done. Does my head in and doesn't help me move on. Okay, believe it or not, I'm starting to tidy up. Excuse the mess of my bed. Yeah, I had to go across there to get to the engine room. Yeah, so I've just cleaned the floor up a bit, waiting for the carpet just to air out a bit. Even gave all this a bit of a clean. I don't know. I think it's all part of the mindset shift. Basically, it's like, okay, I'm cleaning up now, so we're ready for the next thing. Anybody got any suggestions on what oil to use on this kind of wood? I'd be happy to hear from you, basically. I think it's been varnished, but I'm not 100% sure. So anyway, something just to give it a bit of life, and you know, this kind of woodwork as well. I'm sure there's a good oil that you can use to just keep all that moist. No, not the breadboards. That might not taste very nice. Yeah, there's still a lot of mess, don't get me wrong. But I'm getting there. I think it's part of the whole mind shift thing, and I think I just said that, and so there must be some truth to it. I'm repeating myself. So yeah, got these guys out here drying, just trying to keep them out of the sun, just so they can dry a little bit more naturally and not being baked. So yeah, it's probably about 3 or 4 coats to go basically, and then I can look at doing the oil. So I'm quite looking forward to seeing how that comes up. So yeah, I think I better get out just for a walk. I have not been off the boat basically other than breakfast this morning. Oh well, feel good. One of these and go there. Things could be worse, couldn't they? I was trying to edit this piece of video because the camera decided to take it back to front, because I must have started with the phone slightly upside down. I've decided to leave it as it is. It's much more entertaining. Let's see if I want what it was this. Well, so do that. Yeah, you did the longest. I let it knock spell out. Yeah, you did see here from the knock, baby. How the guys knew help. Hey, Mark, I said this again. No, we ain't. Still, just if I get for Boston tonight. Still wish the bite. So, yeah, see you. See you on my road, Russell. I was sick. How to turn your trimaran into a catamaran, and then finally into a mono. Here we go. Well, if that's Saturday, we've had it. And yeah, the sun is getting lower and just good to get out. I think I needed that. So yeah, feel refreshed. Saw a few things. Actually met some more followers in person here. So that was nice. Great to meet you guys. Yeah, no, it's nice when people make themselves known. It's like, oh, people are watching this. Anyway, yeah, I guess they are. So yeah, I think I'm feeling a little bit better for it today. Yes, I'm sort of still getting over that sort of malaise of, you know, I'm stuck and, you know, don't know what's going to happen. And so getting a little bit more faith, building it up. Takes a while, change of mind shift sometimes. So I think getting stuck in and doing some more jobs, which has been very helpful. Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how those duckboards turn out. So yes, and just cleaning up, put the engine back together again, the old one. I don't have a new one yet. So that is ready to go wherever it goes. So yeah, I'm just going to chill now for the evening and not yabber on too long. So this is it. So thanks for following along, guys. Thanks for all the great comments. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Means a lot. And yeah, I look in the morning, I thought, oh, no, not quite. Well, sometimes. Anyway, we won't go there. Yes, so being serious and all that, yes, don't forget to subscribe and, well, comment you're doing already. That's great, liking it, and yeah, share it around. This is Dawn Raider.